Shanti everyone, welcome to the 5th of January 2024. January? Nope, it's February. It's 5 days past. Still, why am I thinking January? Well, I never know. I guess I couldn't let go of January fully, even though I said so. Here's the essence. Sweet children, this study is the best. The study is the knowledge from Shiv Baba. It is this that is called your source of income. So, income, well, in the Iron Age, or for us the Confluence Age, people take in income, and whenever people says income, they mean money. But it doesn't mean only incoming money. It means taking something in and receiving it. And the source of income you will receive is Shiv Baba's Srimat. If you want to pass this study of yours, continue to follow the teacher's direction. Again, that is our father's Srimat, Shiv Baba, or also called the Supreme Soul. For most people actually call him the Supreme Soul, because Shiv people think is an Indian word, but no, it isn't. And also, when people say Supreme Soul, it's easier for others to understand. Not that you think anything bad. No, not in that. You are very pure souls, I know that. So it's a blessing. May you be a Master Almighty authority. So since you're the children of Almighty, you will also be a Master Almighty, right? Or you are the children of the highest Almighty Soul. So that's why may you be a Master Almighty, so you can become as pure and powerful as Him, and experience every power in a practical way according to time. So there are 8 powers, right? I don't think I need to go through them. So here's an example. 2 in fact. You're going in a jungle, you need a torch. Instead, a rope comes to you. What? I'll explain why I said this at the end. And now you're in the jungle, there's a big grass. What do you need? You need a knife, right? And what do you get? You get water! That's crazy. And another example. In a house, there are 5 people. So, pretend you, a watchman, a cook, a driver, and a servant to help you do things. So, you need to get something, and you call the servant. Guess who comes? The cook. You need to eat something, and guess who comes? The driver. And you need to go to office, and guess who comes? The watchman. So, knowing how to use your powers at the correct time is good. And how do you do that? So first you have to remember what are the powers and what time do I need them at. Okay, here's a crisis, someone's shouting at me. I will use the power to face. So this is the power to face. So I'm using it, but you won't always get it in one shot. You have to keep practicing. For anything you need to keep practicing actually. So always keep practicing Shiv Baba's teachings. That's how you can succeed in the study. Here's a slogan. To the extent that your intellect has godly intoxication, let there be just as much as humanity in your own actions. So the intoxication, I told you before, it's like amazement and humanity. So it's being kind and pure and always happy. It's kind of like humanity, but not humanity. Humanity is like people. But remember, we're not people, we're souls. So don't brag about whatever you have. So imagine someone's here are very poor, less money, but they could be happy. I said this example yesterday, but not the exact same. So don't brag to them, I have such a good car, look how big of a house I have, look how rich I am, I have so much money. Don't ever brag. 3 words. Don't ever brag. Especially to the poor people. But actually, the poor people are doing a real job if a person brags to them and they have the power to face. But I just can't make a connection to this blessing. Coincidence. So always have humanity in your actions. And that means being kind and pure. So now it's time for our Murli quiz. So the essence question. So the essence question. This study is the best. This that is called your source of income. The blessing question. May you be a Master Almighty and experience every power in a practical way according to time. So time again basically means according to whatever situation you're in. And the slogan question. To the extent that your intellect has godly intoxication, let there be just as much as humanity in your actions. So Om Shanti everyone, it's all for today's Murli. Thank you for listening.